Hello my little friends and welcome to Bedtime Stories with Lili. Today I'm going to read you a book which is called Pals Kitten. Kitten loves chasing butterflies on warm sunny days. Can you see the butterflies? Look, there are so many butterflies here and they're so colorful. He is really good at climbing trees. Can you see the cat? And it climbs up the tree. But do you know that when the cats climb up the tree, they are not so good as getting down. So here comes a fire engine and the firefighter climbs up the ladder and gets the kitten down to the ground. Also, he loves to play with his ball of string. Can you see the cat? Can you see the ball of string? What color is it? Yes, it's pink. But he doesn't like the knots. Can you see the kitten? Can you see the string? Can you see the knots around the cat? Poor little cat. That's all, my friends. Bye bye. Bye bye book. Bye bye my friends. Good night. Sleep tight. See you next time.